a big question is AI good or bad? But bigger question for me is AI trained on ethics and morality?
Okay, is AI good or bad? Everybody is asking this question, and the answer is AI is neither good nor
Mm,
bad. AI doesn't care. Like, to be good or bad, you need to care. It doesn't
mm,
have the moral compass, it doesn't know, it is just, spitting out information. And in this regard, AI is what we make it to be.
mm,
And there are the good AIs, allegedly, chat-gpt, GPT models, Google Bard. These are the good AIs. They do have some ethics. They do have some restrictions that are there. If you try to ask how to make a bomb, it will not tell you. If you try to,
mm.
hurt yourself, it will also block you. So, is this a good AI? Well, it's better than nothing, right?
Yeah, but
So
but those have been very those blockages have been overcome.
yes,
Creatively, you can overcome them.
yes. So we put an effort to make the AI good in
Yeah.
this regard
Mm,
through another GPT model, by the way. But um, leave this aside. There is another AI. I will not say its name
mm.
on because I don't want to people to
Promote.
find it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there are these bad AIs that could be found on the dark web.
Mm,
And on the dark web, you can find these AIs which are bad. Like, they are made with no restrictions, no nothing. All of these bad stuff they happen there. Still, they're shit. Sorry. Still, they're not good. But the fact is, they're making baby steps towards building malicious AI,
mm.
and this is the worst thing that can happen, of course. So our responsibility as a society would be to um, make the AIs the AIs that are available to the general public, ethical, more moral, more inclined to the good
Mm.
than to the bad. Neutral and good. This is good, right? And we should be trying to stop the spread of bad AI.
Yeah.
But again, AI doesn't care. It is what we make it to be. Good people will make good AI. Bad people will make bad AI.
Mm.
This is the truth.
Okay. Okay. It's also usage, right? So if you want to use it with a bad intention, it can aid you
To do bad stuff.
mostly.
Yes,
Yeah.
if a bad person trains a bad AI and
Yeah.
then another bad person comes and uses this bad AI for a bad use case,
Hmm.
we have a really bad situation.
Yeah.
Basically,
We're
this is
laughing,
it.
but it's not funny.
Yeah, it's not funny, and the thing is, all the regulation, all these things, it will not stop the bad people from doing bad stuff, right? So regulation only stops the good actors
Yeah.
from doing good stuff. And in this regard, we should focus our attention on how to stop the spread of bad AI rather than uh,
Regulating OAI and
regulating good AI, and then
good
putting,
AI.
yeah, and then putting. It's good to put OpenAI on the spot. It's good to have the hearings with Sam Altman and these things. It is good for democracy, good for the development and everything. But if 100% of the energy is pointed at Sam Altman and not you know the guys who invented the bad AI, which is now trending everywhere, but don't
Mm-hmm.
talk about it ever. Yeah, then yeah, the world would be a better place if we direct some of this energy towards stopping the bad
Yeah.
actors.